Good morning and thank you for joining us this Tuesday, the 27th of June. I'm Sophia Mavridis, a market analyst with Bell Direct. We're looking at global markets overnight. US equities closed in the red following a sell-off in technology companies, which have outperformed this year. The pullback in tech stocks saw the Nasdaq sharply drop and close the session 1.16% lower. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 fell 0.45% and the Dow slightly down 0.04%. In Europe, markets closed mixed, with Germany's DAX and the FTSE 100 and the STOXX 600 all closing the session down just 0.1%, while France's CAC was in the green. As for what to watch locally today, the Australian share market is set to open higher this morning. The SPI futures are suggesting a 0.28% rise at the open. Now, in commodities, global oil prices were higher following news of an armed rebellion against Russian President Vladimir Putin. Prices rose as investors monitored a potential oil shortage. The price of gold has rebounded further from a 3-month low as global economic uncertainties and political instability in Russia drove some safe haven demand for the metal. And iron ore remains close to a 2-month high as markets assessed concerns of lower demand against the possibility that the Chinese government will provide stimulus measures for the construction sector. Now today, watch the share price movements of Appen. The AI company faced further turbulence yesterday, with its share price plunging 12% on the release of an announcement outlining that its CFO, Helen Johnson, has decided to step down just 2 months after stepping into the role. Also, keep watch of Wesfarmers WES, which rallied yesterday after the Australian conglomerate entered into a scheme implementation deed through its wholly owned subsidiary, Australian Pharmaceutical Industries, to acquire 100% of Silk Laser Clinic's outstanding shares of $3.35 cash per share by a way of scheme of arrangement. The deal values Silk Laser Clinics at $180 million, and the Silk board has unanimously recommended that shareholders vote in favour of the scheme. Now, to end on some trading ideas for your consideration, Bell Potter have downgraded their recommendation on DDH1, the ticker code is DDH, from a buy to a hold after the company announced that they've entered into a binding scheme implementation agreement. Perpentib, that's PRN, will acquire 100% of the fully paid ordinary shares of DDH. Bell Potter have also downgraded their price target to the current implied acquisition price of 94 cents per DDH share. And Trading Central have identified a bearish signal in Charter Horse, CHC, indicating that the stock price may rise from the close of $10.52 to the range of $9.30 to $9.60 over 57 days, according to the standard principles of technical analysis. Now that's all for this morning. I'm Sophia Mavridis with Bell Direct. Have a great day and happy trading.